Good morning. How are you?
Pretty good.
We're talking about the scriptures. When Jesus was on this earth, he talked about the God's kingdom to come on this earth. Have you ever wondered what is that kingdom that he was talking about?
Yeah, I'm an atheist, so you're kind of wasting your time. But
but
thanks anyway.
Okay. Has that been all your life, or something happened?
I was raised in church.
What? Something happened?
Yeah, I got educated, and I learned stuff that showed me that all religion is just bull.
You're right, because they all interested in money and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
But that's not what the scriptures, is telling us. Sometimes people that misuse the scriptures instead of...
That thing's been rewritten more times than you can count, so how can you even count on it?
Well, when we go to the scriptures and from Genesis to Revelation, they're supposed to match. They cannot contradict.
But they do. They contradict.
Well, if indeed it's people.
There's 4 different versions of how many people seen Jesus at 3 rows. And each gospel has a different amount of people that saw him first and all that.
Yeah.
But, I could argue all day.
Yeah, okay.
But thanks for stopping by anyway. Good luck to you.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Bye-bye.